How to add an image gallery to Wix. So in order to add an image gallery, just find first a blank part of your website. I'll choose in here this. Now you can click on this add element option or to this plus icon that you can see right here. They are basically the same thing. From in there, head over to media and you should be able to find in here this pro galleries. So click on this and you can see in here some examples of pro galleries that you can add. In this case, let's head over and add the most simple one. So you can just drag and drop this onto the blank part of the page that you want to add it. I'll attach it right around here. Now from in there, that gallery will be attached. So it may take some seconds for it to actually load since this is a big chunk of element. Now here we have our image gallery already integrated. You want to actually edit the images that this gallery will have, you can click on the gallery and click onto this manage media and choosing here or upload the media that will be presented in this gallery. So that's how you add an image gallery to Wix. Hope we help.